csv.Error. Iterator should return strings, not bytes. Sample.csv contains the following. And the Python file contains the following code. When I run the above code in Python, I get the following exception. Files format.py, line 4, and for row and read, _csv.error. Iterator should return strings, not bytes. Did you open the file in text mode? How can I fix it?
You open the file in text mode. More specifically, good guesses for encoding is ASCII and UF8. You can also leave the encoding off, and it will use the system default encoding, which tends to be UF8, but maybe something else.
The reason it is throwing that exception is because you have the argument airbay, which opens the file in binary mode. Change that to R, which will by default open the file in text mode. Your code. New code.
In Python 3, csv.Reader expects that past iterable returns strings, not bytes. Here is one more solution to this problem that uses codex module.
Your problem is you have the B in the open flag. The flag RT, read, text, is the default, so, using the context manager, simply do this. The context manager means you don't need generic error handling, without which you may get stuck with the file open, especially in an interpreter, because it will automatically close the file on an error, or on exiting the context. The above is the same as